Good morning, parents, and to all my dear children. Today in the maths class, we will learn how to write figure 9 and figure 0 in your exercise book. To begin with it, we will be writing today's date and day. Next, we will write classwork on top, and in the first line, we will be writing the topic, that is, write figure 9. So, first we write the date, that is 5th of October 5/10/2021, and then the today's day, that is Tuesday. Next we'll move writing classwork on top, classwork, then the topic, write figure 9, and then we'll follow the same process how we have set the copy earlier. We need to place cross marks on alternate lines vertically and horizontally. Then we have to write figure 9, 9, 9, 9, 9 on alternate lines. Like this. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. I request the parents to place some dots in this manner so that it will be convenient for the children to understand from which part they have to begin. I try out the first one like writing 9, 9, 9, 9, 9 in this way. The same way they will complete at the end of the page. Once we are done with this page, we can flip our page, move to the next one, and then we have to write figure 0. We'll follow the same pattern, writing the date, day on top left corner, then writing classwork and the topic, that is write figure 0. After that we have to place cross marks on alternate lines vertically and horizontally, then placing 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 on the leftover lines. Next I have placed some dots and will be writing here 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and the same way other rest of the pages needs to be completed. Now few things that the children needs to keep in their mind while writing, that every time they write a figure they need to read it out like loudly, like 9, 9, 9, 9, 9 in this way. Next, they should not touch the lines on either side, top, bottom, left and right. None of the lines should be touched. They should write it absolutely at the center like this, 9, 9. And the third one is the minimum use of eraser. Make sure that the children writes it so very neatly that they need to use the eraser minimum quantity. So that's all for today's class. So we have done 2 pages, writing page figure 9 and figure 0. Thank you so much. Bye bye and stay safe.